Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing a headlight bulb in a 2007 Subaru WRX. If you need parts for your car, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Pop the hood. There's a release right there. Use the pop rod right here. Stick that in the hood. To access the headlight bulb, we're going to remove this air intake. I'm going to take out these two 10mm bolts with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Pull that, set that aside. To access the headlight, I'm going to pull this off. Twist it to the left and pull out. First I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector. I'm just going to pull it straight out. Then to get this bulb out, there's a little tab right here. You got to push and then pull it to the side. It's going to hinge down. And there's two of them. And this will hinge down like that. This bulb is a H7. Alright, so we have our new light bulb here. There's a little tab right there. It's going to go in facing down. Line that up. We can take this hinge lock and you're gonna just push it and scoot it under there. And then we'll take the connector and plug the connector right on. And we'll take this cover, put the cover in. Alright, get the cover lined up and twist it to the right. Take these two 10s, 10mm bolts, and put those in. I'm going to use our socket and our ratchet. Tighten these back down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.